We have started our drive to the city of Rouen. We just made a little pit stop to get us some drinks and snacks. And we got one of my favorite things here is lemon soda. And also we found
Paprika Pringles.
Paprika Pringles. You cannot find those anywhere in the United States that I have seen. That was our first stop of the trip. We are currently in Rouen, France. This is where Joan of Arc was burned at the stake, and it's also the capital of Normandy. We also found a Mexican restaurant here, of all things, but we didn't try it. But yeah, this is a really neat little town. There's half-timbered houses everywhere.
Okay, so we hacked Daddy's phone because he gave it to us because he's going to an ATM
to get some money. We're here in Rouen.
Behind us, Joan of Arc was burnt somewhere up here.
But this is a cool looking city.
It's really tiny and peaceful, and lots of pigeons.
Yes, lots of pigeons. They seem to attack us at will.
They try.
Right behind me is the Gross Horloge. The clock dates back to 1389 and is one of the oldest in Europe. It has been on this Renaissance arch since 1527. It has been powered by electricity since the 1920s, and the whole building was restored from 1997 to 2006. It is still a source of pride for the people of Rouen and a popular tourist attraction. It is flanked by a Gothic belfry that was built between the 14th and 15th century and that houses bells that are linked to the clock's movements. We have made it to Honfluer. It is a little coastal town in the north of France. It's in Normandy. There's Anna. She's already done her little blog.
It's the French Alamo.
Is it?
No, I don't know.
Oh, this is what she's talking about. Right there. So right now we're walking to dinner, and we're going to a place that they recommended. So anyways, one of the things that Honfluer is known for is the one of the explorers that left here is discovered Quebec in Canada.
That's Canada. It's the French part of
Canada, eh?
Hey.
So they left here when they discovered it. Today was a great first day. This morning we landed in Paris at around 8 o'clock in the morning. We ate breakfast at the airport and then rented the car and drove to Rouen and ate lunch in Rouen. And then we walked around that city for a little bit and drove to Honfluer, where we went to our room and got settled in there. And then went and ate dinner at a real nice restaurant. And we are beat and ready for bed. We will see you on day 2 tomorrow. Go ahead, I'm recording.
Okay, so we're at a church thing now. As you can see, we're not there yet, but we're going to it. And
Having trouble?
yeah, it's moving. No, I'm moving it. Oh, that's too far. Okay, that's a tower. No, it's not. That is a clock.
You give me a hard time.
And over here, there is some fantabulous art. Oh, that's someone's face.